Alright guys, we're back. This is going to be day 13, I think, or day 12? Day 13. Okay. This is going to be a very long video today. I have been working on the AI agent project. I've gone quite a far bit along. The agent is now calling functions and actually running them. So like here, zoom in a bit so video can see. He was actually able to, create a file and stuff. Created a create a README file that had calculator in it, which is what the prompt asked for. And I've been learning a lot of stuff. Learned a lot about OS and joining paths and getting the right directories, making sure that the directing that you're working in is actually what you want and it's not working outside the directory, to prevent the agent from operating in parts of the system where it's not supposed to. Then there was also learnings about like how to just in general use AI API calls. In let me get rid of these comments, it's just useless. Oh wait, it was in get files info, yeah. And here making a schema. I guess this is JSON, and passing the parameters you want. Like this specific function wants a file path and arguments to pass. Make sure the prompt is good. Like this specific command right here running the Python file, it kept asking me for arguments, and I had to tell specifically, stop asking the user for arguments. It's up to you to determine, based on the file and the prompt for the user, whether or not to use arguments. So that's all but done. It's the first 3 chapters. Now we're going on to agents. I'll try and finish that in this video. I probably won't be able to, but it's already 10 o'clock here and I want to get a video out before the end of the day. So let's get right to it. Influencer hypers, gotta love those guys. Pretty big step, take your time. Generate content and handle results of any possible tool use. This might already be happening, but make sure that each call to client models to generate content, you're passing the entire messages list. The LLM always does the next step based on the current state. This is going to be in the main file. Okay, I am passing an entire message list right now, but the message list is only containing the role, which is the user, and the parts which in this case is only the user prompt text that was originally set as part of the arguments passed. So I think we need a way to, for everything else that's printed to the console, actually pass it to the function. Pass it to meshes list, or add it to meshes list, so that the thing is getting the entire thing, the entire meshes list. So we have things that are printed to the console here. We have this that's printed to the console. What function is being called? The result that's also being printed. So I think we can do something like messages.append. And append the string here. So maybe it's best if we make this into a variable. Say something like calling underscore function is equal to calling function, and do something like print calling function. Do we have to do this? Wasn't there something that had like a standard out? Alright, that's the list of function calls. Almost positive there was some point in time where we had like a standard out, standard in, a standard error. sure this is going to show it. No, it is not. Yeah, I thought, I don't remember. I thought there was somewhere in here where we saw that we could get standard out those printed to the console. Let's search for SWE. Oh. Oh, that's when we ran sub process. It's very annoying, but whatever. Not sure how to list parts that constitute a single message. Kind of confused here. Because, like, even if I append everything that's going out here, the next time we call messages, we're just overriding it with this. Let me check something here. I don't like running it because I don't know how much API call stuff I have, but I don't think I can. I kind of have to see what's going on here. Just see with the normal call what's coming back here. As mentioned before, we have content part. Call equals so data equals inline data equals. Okay, so there's some things in here that we could technically use. Now we've appended some stuff, obviously, and a lot of stuff. So where do we figure out? Oh, here we go. For types of part function call. Oh, this isn't like passing in what you predict the function call will be. I don't think that's what we're looking for. I do kind of like this. Our problem is I just don't know. I think it's just going to be overwritten the next time we run messages here. I think what we're going to do is just like up here create like something like response underscore messages. Just set that equal to empty list. And just go like response messages dot append, response messages dot append. I don't think it's really appending. I think it's joining, I think. Oh, extend. Then you can also concatenate. The thing we're going to do is do .extend, then add response message. Okay, but the response message is going to be reset. And if I put it below, will it know it actually exists? Okay, and then it's going to be reset the loop. So how is this going to work? After it runs the call function, it needs to rerun after calling clients generate content method. Check the .candidates property of the response. Okay. It's a list response iterations. Use just one. Here's the equivalent of I want to get files info. So we need to add it to our conversation. Iterate over each candidate. Add the .content. Adds .content to your message list. Okay, let's just look at what this Canvas thing does. So leave this here for now. After response, look at the response .candidates. It's a list. Response variations returned by the model.
Grace. You still say yeah, right?
Okay, so I'm probably not going to get this done entirely tonight, and my family's being absurdly annoying, so I'm going to stop the video here. I think I have an idea of what to do now, but I'm not entirely sure. Thank you guys for watching. See you all tomorrow.